trying out JSH DIYs water slimes and 1 ingredient slimes and shampoo slimes. It's just basically a little mixture of everything. So yeah. Anyways, guys, so JSH, why, guys? Yeah. He has a bunch of like DIYs and recipes on how to make some slime without glue or borax and basically just shampoo. And they look really, really cool, but I also wanted to try them out because honestly, they seem a little iffy, so yeah. Anyway, so I got a bunch of the stuff that he uses and I got the exact brands too, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And today's like my challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your thumb. That's gonna be really hard, but I think you guys can do it. Anyways, and if you guys are able to do it, make sure you comment below hashtag I did it and let's get straight on to the video. Yo. But before we get into this video, guys, I just want to mention something really quick. This little chalkboard right here, it's gonna be here all throughout February because it is, you know, the Valentine's Day month, stuff like that, yeah. But anyways, we're gonna have it right here and we're gonna be putting some cheesy and funny and just completely terrible pickup lines, and yeah, so yeah, basically I just wanted to do a little game with you guys. You guys comment down below your little like cheesy pickup lines or also pickup lines that include slime in it, which would be even better because it's the Slimeatory. And we will pick one person to put the pickup line on there and we will give you a shout out. So make sure you comment down below your pickup lines and be creative. And you can also, you know, get some inspiration from the line because honestly, I don't think I could do it. But anyways, guys, let's start now. Like, actually, right now. The first one, guys, is using Fructose shampoo. And I actually ordered a lot of the stuff online so that I had the right brands and everything. So, yeah, I just want to mention that. Anyway, so here it is. It's Fructose. It's from Garnier, and yeah. Okay, guys, so first you're supposed to get some water. Of course, this is a water slime recipe. Okay, so you put some water, like that much, I think. And then you get some of this husk powder. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's like psyllium husk, something like that. But anyways, it looks like that. I already online because I have no idea where the heck to get it. It smells weird, guys. Okay, so then he added just like literally a tiny bit of this thing. Okay. So you literally put like a little bit, like a tiny bit. He said a tiny bit goes a long way, so I'm literally gonna put a tiny bit. I think that should be good. Yeah. I don't know. I'll see, because he has it kind of like, it became a little thick and stuff, so I'll just kind of eyeball it. But anyways, then he said shake it to really get it all up in there. It's starting to get kind of like gelatin. I saw in the package it said like it has like a gel consistency, so I'm gonna guess that's, is it there yet? Okay, so his seems like it's a little gooey, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of this, and then I'll be done. I think that's good. Okay, let's shake, 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 shake. Okay, that looks like his. Okay, that's good. This is making a mess everywhere, guys. I have a mess everywhere. Okay, so the next step, guys, is to add the shampoo into a bowl. This one doesn't have the water, the psyllium husk water, the magical water. And then he added some green food coloring, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that too. Maybe there, I don't know. I'm just trying to follow exactly what he did. Okay, I'm gonna mix that. That's a lot. That was very strong. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna restart that really quick because I did put way too much green food coloring, and I just want to restart so I don't mess it up. Anyways, so we're just gonna put the shampoo. I think that's a good amount. And then instead of dripping the food coloring into it, I'm just gonna get it with the fork. I feel like that's a better idea. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the weird psyllium husk powder, and we're just gonna mix it really quick one more time. We're just gonna mix that. Ooh, it's slimy. Okay, so then he just said to pour it in there like that. And then just put it into the refrigerator for a little bit. And yeah, I'm just gonna get back to you guys. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and see what happens. Okay, so I left it in the fridge for about like 15 minutes, guys. And this is what happened. There's still a bunch of liquid on the top, but we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of just drain that out. And his, it wasn't, but whatever. So there it is, guys. That's not slime. Okay. Okay, but it is pretty like kind of gooey. It's clear, guys, but like it's not really slimy. But it does have like halfway a slime. Like, do you see that? That's actually pretty cool. But I feel like that might just be the shampoo, and like it's just probably because it's kind of like cold right now. So it is kind of like solidifying, but I think that's just because it's cold. But also guys, I know I didn't mix in the water, but he didn't show him mixing it. He said just to put it in the refrigerator, so I just wanted to do that just to make sure. And it seems like it didn't really work. Okay, well that didn't really work. This one was a fail. I mean, it is pretty kind of slimy, but I don't think it's very good. That was a fail for me. You guys comment down below if you tried it and if it was good or if it worked for you, and also tell me what you did because I want to try it. Anyways, let's try the next one. Hopefully it will work. So the next one, guys, is a little bit extreme in my opinion. I mean, he made slime with crayons and 3-in-1 shampoo, so it's really crazy to me, but we're gonna try anyway. So basically you're supposed to get crayons, and I got Crayola. I think that's what he used, the brand. Okay, so I'm gonna use purple because he used purple, and I just, you know, I'm trying to go whatever he does because I don't want to like mess up or anything. Okay, so he really only put like a little bit, like a teensy bit, so I'm just gonna put that right there. Okay, then he put some shampoo, and he had green apple 3-in-1 Suave Kids, so I got that one. I love this shampoo, guys. It's so thick and it is like so satisfying. Okay, so I think that's good. Do you guys see how thick it is? Let me just show you. It's like so satisfying. Why is it so thick? And then he put some salt, and he actually put a lot, so I'm gonna try and put like the same amount. And then the last step is to add some water to it, so it's a water slime. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit. I think that is good. And now we have to pop it into the microwave for like 30 seconds or something, so let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's actually for 25 seconds, and I actually put it in there for 25 seconds, so just wanted to clear that up. Anyway, so, it's not slime. Yeah, okay, well it is not slime, guys. I don't know what I did wrong. I thought I did that one pretty good. Like the other one I was like, maybe I did the Facilla water a little bit bad, but like this one I think I did it pretty good. Like it's pretty good. So I just saw he actually microwaved it a second time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just microwave it a second time and we'll see what happens. I feel like probably nothing's gonna happen, but whatever. Okay, so I microwaved it again, and it is not getting any better. I mean, maybe I want to just like, since it's already bad, guys, I'm just gonna add some salt. Maybe that will work. Yeah, no, it's not working at all, guys. Okay, and just a little tip, guys, if you do try this one out, make sure you be careful because this one did kind of like explode and it kind of went on my microwave, so be careful with that. And let's try the next one. Hopefully it will work because it is the last one, but anyways, let's go. The next one is using this Pear's transparent soap, and it's this orange transparent soap, and it actually looks really cool. Look at how cool it looks, guys. Does not look so cool. It's already slime. Like, look at that. It's not slime. Okay. Ooh, smells good. Okay, now he just basically like started cutting it like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it and like do stuff and just, you know, cut the soap. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but whatever. And if you guys do this, make sure you be careful with scissors. If you're not good with scissors, like my sister, make sure you get somebody who's good with scissors, like your parent or your brother, older brother, not younger brother. Soap is like very gel-like, so I like it. I like cutting it. Okay, so I think this should be a good amount. It's a pretty good amount. Okay, the next thing he did was add some water, and he just added a little bit. I think just kind of soften it. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, so the next thing he did was put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, I think. So let me just go ahead and pop it into the microwave, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I got it out of the microwave, and he actually said to melt it in increments and then like mix it, but mine just like melted after like 30 seconds. So here it is. It's kind of just like water. It doesn't really look like his. It's just complete water. But anyways, I'm just gonna add the salt anyways, and let's see what happens. He did add a lot, so I'm gonna add like that widget. Let's see. Is it gonna work, guys? Ooh, it's like, whoa. Whoa, guys. Okay, I think the soap just got like hard. That's it. So that did not work at all. It just become like a bunch of chunks. I mean, you know what? Maybe I should just add a bunch of salt. I'm just gonna add a bunch of salt and see what happens.
A few inches later.
Okay, that's what happened, guys. It just kind of seemed like it turned back into the soap bar, but like in a waxy way. I don't know how to explain it, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try this one more time because I feel like maybe I didn't add enough soap because it was just like complete liquid. So I'm gonna try this one more time and let's see what happens. Okay, so we have our soap. I'm just gonna cut a bunch like last time. Okay, so here is all the soap. It's in bigger chunks too, and I'm just gonna add some water, and I'm gonna add a lot less. Okay, that's like, might need a little bit more. Okay, that was like nothing. Let's go ahead and microwave this and see what happens. Okay guys, so here is how it is. It basically turned into water again, but like it's not as liquidy, I guess, but it's still pretty liquidy. Like I said, can you see that? It's still very liquidy. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the salt again, and I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time this time. What if we added salt water, guys? I'm gonna sprinkle it on there. I feel like maybe that would work better. But like mine isn't looking like his. Like his was like glooby, blobby, not glooby. This kind of seems like it's working. Guys, this thing smells so good. Okay guys, so I added it slowly, like, and I added it kind of like sprinkling it, and it actually didn't turn out too bad so far. My fingers smell horrible, guys. They're so dry. Ta-da! Slime! And let me just show you guys the other one. Here's the other one that I just did. Okay guys, this is literally just like a melt and pour soap. Okay, well this one was a fail for me, and I got all my fingers and I really hate it. But anyways, if it worked for you guys, make sure you comment down below what you did and what happened, or if it didn't. And I have one last thing to show you guys. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is basically just a very popular recipe, since none of these recipes work for me actually. I'm just going to show you one very quick. So usually you can get just like a 3-in-1 soap, but this one works the best. But you can actually get any shampoo. Anyways, you're just going to get the shampoo. You can actually just put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. The freezer's better for like a day or like 10 minutes, and it actually will turn into pretty decent slime. It won't be completely slime. Or else you could get some salt, just like a pinch, and then you can also do that. And like this one, you really don't add a lot. Like, be careful, literally. Then you just, you know, mix that in, and it literally starts to glob up, and it's the coolest thing ever. But anyways, there it is, guys. I just thought I should show you because it's actually a pretty cool recipe. It's not exactly like slime, but it's pretty good. Okay, well, you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below. Okay, well guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below part 2 if you want a part 2, and also make sure you press the like button. Then yeah, that is it guys, thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!